Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Shaz if you are stopping by for the first time, and in case you've been around, you know that you are most definitely welcome. So on today's clip, I'd love to share with you a quick fix on how I change my hair from this bad hair day to a bomb looking elegant hairstyle. Okay, so this is how I wore my hair today to work, and I was just wondering if since it's evening and I'm planning to go out with my boyfriend for dinner, so I was wondering how to fix this. I'm just tired of this, of the puff, how is it called, of the high puff and all that. So I just wanted to try out something else. So in case that's what you're interested in watching today now, then please don't move, stay around and let's see how I get this. Okay. Without wasting much time, let's go ahead and start. So first of all, my hair is a bit dry, so what I use for moisturizing is simply water. So I love this bottle, by the way. It's great. The water comes out just well. So once I'm done doing this, the mirror is behind my camera, so that's why I'm looking past you guys. But don't worry, I have you here. Once my hair is moisturized as it is, I'll get my Eco Styler gel. So the one I'm using is the one with argan oil. I love it so much. The smell is great and it gives me a really great hold. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just applying this all over my hair to smoothen it down, to lay it down. Finger comb from behind, going up. Once I'm done, I take my brush and I just use this to brush my hair up. So I go back with the brush and I just brush my hair to bring it up together in a bun. So once that's done, I tie this up. So you want to make sure it's as tight as possible. Ooh, this is for me normally where the challenge is. So once I have that up there, you see it's not quite proportional, but it doesn't matter because I'll cover the front part anyway. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to use this hair. So this is the Senegal Kanekalon fiber, and the hair is so beautiful. Let me show you. So that's the hair, and this is exactly what I'm going to use today for my hair. So it's quite simple. The hair is the same hair you use for crochet braids. So it comes like this, okay? Now the next thing to do is I'll take this hair, one of this, and just tie it around my bun. I'll first of all separate it a little bit like so, and then put it around my bun like this, okay? And then I tie it around and around and around. So that's the first one. So you want to put it around your bun until the natural hair is completely covered. And the next one. So now that's how the top part looks, and I'm actually done. That's it. Now I need to use some bobby pins to secure the hair, of course. So I'm just going to put this on the roots. Now, once we're done with the bun, it's time to do the rest of the hair. You can also just go like this, but if you want it to look even better, you can use the rest of the hair. And just tie this around again. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this around the bun, and not just one, not just two, but as many as you want. So I love the color, by the way. The hair color is just like mine. I think that's enough. So once I have this, I go ahead and put some bobby pins once again to secure this part. Once you've secured that, you just add some more because I wanted to use all of the hair, and this is the last one. So once I have that, I also make sure that that's secured using a bobby pin. So once we are done with the bun and this hair, what I do is I'll just try and be creative with this one. So then I take this and just make a very loose twist, like so. And then I'll come here and put this over here and use the bobby pins to secure the hair. So for the ends, I'll just try and tie them down as well. So for the rest of the bobby pins, I'll just use them to make sure that the hair is quite secured. So once we're done, that's what we have. Quite simple, very quick. And then of course I like slicking my edges. So I'm gonna use what I normally use. So this is the L'Oreal Studio Line, L'Oreal Paris Studio Line gel and a brush. And I'm just going to put this amount and apply it all over my edges. We are actually good to go. So that's how the hair looks. I find it pretty neat. This one, as much as I have some frizz, it's not as bad as it usually would look if I just decide to buy a hair piece and do it and braid it by myself, you know? Yeah, so that's the kind of hair I would rock while going on a dinner or just a very elegant date. Don't forget to keep your bobby pins. By the way, I forgot to say, for this hairstyle you need as many bobby pins as possible. So and you know, the weird part about bobby pins is that normally they just get lost all of a sudden and then you don't know where they are. So my dears, that's the end of it. I hope you love this hairstyle and you are going to try it out or you're going to share it with someone who might love it and might love to try it out, you know, because we normally say sharing is caring. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I am so glad you did. And if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to do so because you don't want to miss such clips. And not forgetting the notification bell so I get notified whenever I post such clips, you know. And yeah, I hope to catch you next time in my video. I'm really trying to be consistent, but it's a bit hard, you know, because I thought actually it would be much easier to record while working, but since I started this full-time job, it's been quite a hard task to share as much content as possible. But anyway, in case you have anything you'd love for me to share, please be sure to leave it in the comment box and I'll try it out for you. Hope to catch you on my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.